We are tied up on the customs dock now. They've just told me I have to go to the harbour master's office and get their confirmation that we can leave, which they've given. They've checked all the boat's papers and the vignetta, which is the cruising tax that you have to pay here in Croatia. Anyway, they've confirmed that everything's paid and we're good to go. We just got to go through customs now, so that's where I'm off to, customs office, and then we should be ready to leave.
Okay, understand. Thank you very much.
Take turns to do lunch and dinner. My turn to do lunch today, and I've made some avocado sliced, and we've got a classic, because we're just going past the south coast of Italy. I've gone for the classic Italian tricolore. Just motoring along the North Sicilian coast. It's a beautiful day, no wind. The sea is flat, calm. In the background we've got the Aeolian Islands, and we are heading towards Palermo.
Bella, bella, bella.
Arrivederci. Grazie.
Arrivederci. Ciao, grazie mille.
Tranquillo, ciao.
Tranquillo.
Well, we've got the chart table, we've got our electrical panel, VHF, stereo, generator control, Navtex, chart plotter, barometer, master volt panel, fuel water gauges, logbook, and then round here behind the chart table, amazing workroom with washing machine, companionway steps, and the galley. Amazing windows out onto the ocean. Forward cabins. Up on deck. Andy at the controls. Sailing beautifully. And today we are broad reaching. Trucking along. Last night we passed Ibiza and Formentera, and today we've got about 20 knots of breeze from the northeast, and we're just running downwind beautifully at the moment. Yeah, it's an absolutely amazing sight watching dolphins playing with the bow wave of the boat. Doesn't matter how many times you've seen it, it never gets boring. Just incredible. Beautiful morning, Straits of Gibraltar behind us, Tarifa Lighthouse. It's around 9:15 and we've just had a watch change. I've come down below to write the log. Andy is up on deck and we have around 30 miles left to run to Cascais. That will take us to the marina entrance for around 11 PM this evening, and then we'll tie up and we'll have a nice cup of tea together and enjoy being in port before this storm arrives tomorrow. So yeah, doing really well and looking forward to getting in now. We are sitting out the storm here in Cascais, and it's blowing hard. We've been here since yesterday and it's been a good stop. We've managed to get the boat cleaned from top to bottom, made a few running repairs, and we are now just waiting for the back end of this storm to pass. Really interesting vessels here. This one behind me is a unmanned, uncrewed surface vessel. It's surveying the seabed. So that's out there now on its own, uncrewed, with all the latest technology. Pretty amazing. And then down the dock here, we've got some other lovely boats. This one from Portsmouth, where we're going to. We're very close to Southampton, where we're heading. Voice of Portsmouth, an ML55. And here comes the gust, and it's strong. You can hear the wind whistling through all the rigging. Last night had to get up a couple of times, just check on our lines. One of them was squeaking really badly, so had to adjust that. And here we are towards the end of the pontoon. Serenity. She's sitting really comfortably here in Cascais, and yeah, we're keeping an eye on the progress of this storm. We actually think that we may be able to leave tomorrow. So we just left the fuel dock there at Cascais Marina, and we are heading out and off to the UK.
Is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, she's done well today, hasn't she?
We're steaming along. I don't know what the 16 knots wind, and it's downstairs. It's like rocked by a baby. It's fantastic.
Got a halo around the sun, and we've got clouds, wispy clouds, known as a mackerel sky, which is telling us that bad weather is ahead. Channel into Brest. Very brave sailor heading out. Here we are in Brest. We've just arrived. We're tied up in Marina du Chateau. They've been very accommodating, as they're full up here. While all the boats are holed up in marinas waiting for the wind to die, these dudes out here are loving it. They're flying around on their foils. This is IDEX Sport, and this was the trimaran that Francis Joyon beat the round the world record on in, I think, 2017, 2018. He had a fully crewed team that went around the world in just over 40 days. And it's won lots of other trophies. Serious machine, and it's here in Brest. This is the Goulet de Brest as we head towards the corner. I think it's Point Mathieu, and then we turn to starboard along the Canal de Four. Had a brilliant day sailing. We've been reaching most of the day across the channel, and it's the most beautiful evening tonight. I've just come on watch. Bernie's just gone down, and we've got a full moon tonight, so that's going to be a real treat. At the moment, not too much traffic around, but as the night goes on, I'm sure we're going to start seeing a lot more. 2,800 miles, and we have the Needles in sight. We got wind against tide right now, so it's a little bit choppy out here, but what a beautiful day and what a beautiful sight. So amazing to see the Needles, the Isle of Wight and Serenity just surfing in. What a trip it's been, what a journey we've had. I mean, we've had it all really. Some amazing sailing. This boat has proved to be an absolutely stellar sailing boat. 2,800 miles from Croatia, and now in the Hamble River, tied up in Swanwick. Amazing delivery, amazing boat, amazing crew. Very happy. We've been busy washing the boat, cleaning all the interior, getting everything signed off, and now we're ready to leave. It's been an absolutely incredible delivery. This boat has been truly outstanding, and yeah, delighted to be here and to have had such a wonderful sail from Croatia to the UK.